Millets are traditional grain grown and eaten in Indian subcontinent for more than 5000 years. They are rain fed and have low requirement on type of soil, water and weather. There are two major categories of millets, major and minor. Major millets are sorghum, bajra, it's jowar, pearl millet, bajra and finger millet, ragi. And minor millets are barnyard millet, kodo millet, little millet and foxtail millet. Little millet have husk surrounding it which has to be removed because it is indigestible. The traditional way of removing husk followed earlier was hand pounding method similar to rice. Green Revolution, which is a landmark initiative to rehaul the whole agricultural practices in our country. This was primarily done to make us sustain or self-sufficient in terms of food production. So rice and wheat were chosen for this purpose because the yield from it is very high. See, the rice and wheat doesn't have a self-defense against pest. So it requires pesticide to be sprayed on it. Also, it has an additional requirement of fertilizer. That's one of the major reasons. A lot of fertilizer companies came into picture, and even water infrastructure were set up to grow rice and wheat. Finally, it left with only tribals and small villages where they were growing millets and they were eating millets. See, since the practice of using chemicals for fertilizer and pesticides or for growing rice and wheat, that was to make sure rice and wheat grow well actually. But what has happened actually? The additives for growing the rice and wheat very well has eventually gone into our body because we were eating that as well as part of our food actually. So eventually that was one of the major reasons for a lot of lifestyle diseases that came into picture after Green Revolution. See, millet can easily adapt to climate and environment. They can survive in any soil actually, any type of soil, even if it is acidic or saline, it can survive. It requires very less amount of water, and it doesn't require any additives, chemical additives in terms of fertilizer or in terms of even it has self defense against pest, so it doesn't require pesticide. You can call millets as naturally organic. Say the grain like millets which can withstand the harsh condition can store lot of nutrients in that action, right? So that in turn getting passed on to us, and we get the benefit of all the nutrients. Millets are highly fibrous and they have numerous amount of micronutrients like calcium, iron, phosphorus and many more. They are also slow digesting food compared to rice and wheat, right? Wherein it mixes with the sugar gets mixed with blood very slowly. So this is one of the compared to polished rice, right? So this is one of the major reason that it was very helpful in controlling and preventing diabetes. See, millet ideally should be part of our daily diet. It can add variety and balanced food as well, right? And many times people used to think about millet, right? How we can add as part of their diet, whether we can start using millet for all the meals, replacing rice and wheat. My suggestion would be slowly they can replace, right? So, they can start with mixing rice with millets and to start with. Then they can move on to one meal as a millet meal. They can then slowly, depending on their body condition, they can move to the whole millet, replacing rice and wheat, right? But I know people who are taking millet for their whole day in the terms of 3 meals, and they were able to cut in on weight, as well as they were able to control diabetes. If we even me, right? So I was starting with millet earlier. I was taking with rice, then slowly shift to one meal a day. Then currently I am taking 2 meal a day. Right? I am experiencing lot of benefit using millet. One major benefit I can see is very freshness you see, or very active as part of the whole day, right? So, and you also don't feel hungry in between, actually, because that's a beauty of millet, right? Because it slowly digests and mix with our blood. If you like this video, please like and comment. I will produce more such video in future. Thank you for watching until end of this video. See you again. Cheers. Take care. Bye bye.